Have you suffered from lower back pain in your life? It's very common in UK and our worry is that people are not getting enough help they need. Preventing or self-managing lower back pain is as simple as maintaining an active lifestyle and maintaining regular exercises with the help of physiotherapists. But did you know a physiotherapist can only spend 10 hours with you per year? What we are looking at is how can you get the help from the physiotherapist and also take home those expertise with the help of technology. For this, we are looking at sensory devices like wearable smartwatches as well as pressure mats that is similar to your yoga mat that can monitor the exercises you are doing with the physiotherapist. When you are at the physiotherapist, they will give you the exercises, walk them through with you, and also correct them as you perform the exercises. We will record this with the sensory devices, and when you go home, we will compare the patterns of you performing your exercises with your physiotherapist and you performing them by yourself. With this, we can tell if you're performing these exercises correctly. Then we will use this information and send it to your physiotherapist as well as to you and help you improve yourself with time. So we are hoping with this technology, you will have the expertise of your physiotherapist at your home and provide you the extra support and guidance you need to recover faster and better.